Hello friends, how are you? Fine? Very good. You have enjoyed various activities in Unit 3. Now we are going to enjoy some activities in Unit 4. Now we are going to do Activity 1. Then open your textbook, page number 40. Unit 4, tell me why. Now see the picture, observe it. And now tell me, is it happy or sad? Yes, it is happy. Now try to read the question. Why is it happy? Why is it happy? Now we shall try to answer. Why is it happy? Now I will show you 3 options. Read them properly. See option A. Because it is raining. Now you see properly in the picture. Is it raining or not? And think about it. See option B. It has no leaves. It is happy because it has no leaves. Observe the picture properly and think about it. Really, has it leaves or not? And see option C. Because children are playing around it. Now you tell me the correct option. Which one? Option C. Very good. It is the correct answer. Because children are playing around it. The tree is very happy. Why? Because children are playing around it. Now look at the screen. I am showing you another picture. Look at the screen. Now you think, is it happy or sad? What? Sad? Very good. The tree is sad now. It is crying. Now read the question. Why is it sad? Let's see the options. Option A. Because people want to water it. Let's see option B. Because some people want to cut it. Now let's see option C. Because children like it. So we have 3 options. You think and tell me which option is correct. Yes, option B. Very good. It is correct because some people want to cut it. Tree is very sad. See, tree is crying because some people want to cut it. So we should not cut the trees. We should grow more and more trees. Now friends, look at the screen again. Again we have a picture. Look at the screen. Here the tree is angry. Now you try to think, why the tree is angry? Why is it angry? Let's see the options. Option A. Because children like it. See option B. Because children throw stones at it. Observe option C. Because it has no leaves. Now try to think about all options. Which one is correct? Observe the picture and give the answer. Which one is the correct answer? Option B. Very good. You are absolutely correct. Option B is the correct answer. The tree is very angry because children throw stones at it.
On page number 41, one picture is given to us. ચાલો આપણે પિક્ચરને સમજવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરીએ. Let me try to understand the reason one by one given by Vrinda's friend. Friends, it was Vrinda's birthday, but she was in tears. Now let us try to understand who comes first and what the reason is given by her. Yes, it is Binita. Binita comes first. When Vrinda asked her why she came late, she told that Binita was confused in selecting a gift for Vrinda. તેણે વૃંદાના બર્થડેમાં ગિફ્ટ આપવી હતી, પણ કઈ ગિફ્ટ આપવી? Then next person is Viral. Viral also came late. When Vrinda asked her, she told that I was quarreling with my sister. Then let us see who comes the next. The next person is Payal. Gave a reason. Let us try to see what Payal said. Payal was sleeping. She forgot. તે સૂતી હતી એટલે ભૂલી ગઈ. After Payal, let us see who comes the next. The next person is Anju. What did Anju say? Let us see. She got confused in selecting dress which she wanted to wear. Now friends, let's move ahead. The next person is Naresh. Let us see what Naresh said. Naresh boss gave him more work. So friends, after Naresh is Leela. When Leela came, Vrinda asked her why was she late. Leela fell in mud. Her dress got soiled. લીલા પછી અમિત આવે છે અને અમિતે શું કહ્યું? Amit's train was late. After Amit is Karan. Karan સૌથી છેલ્લે આવે છે. ચાલો જોઈએ કરણે શું કહ્યું. Karan was held up in traffic. So friends, have you understood how Vrinda's friends came one by one and what the reasons they gave to Vrinda for their being late to the party? Now on the basis of that diagram we are to move ahead. Friends, આપણને એક ડાયલોગ આપવામાં આવેલો છે. એ ડાયલોગ આપણે ફિલ કરવાનો છે. ગયે વખતે જે આપણે રીઝન્સ સમજેલા એ રીઝન્સનો યુઝ અહીંયા આપણે ડાયલોગ ફોર્મ કરવામાં કરવાનો છે. સો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, ઓપન યોર ટેક્સ્ટ બુક, go to the page number 41 and let's understand the dialogue. Friends, I will read the dialogue. After that, wherever there is blank, we shall try to fill that. Why are they late? Today is Vrinda's birthday. She invited all her friends. The party began at 9 p.m. but Vrinda was in tears. Why was she in tears on such a good day? Because nobody was present at the party. At 9:15, Binita walked in a hurry. Binita said, "Oh dear, I am sorry." Vrinda said, Where were you? Why are you late today at my party? Binita said, Oh, I was so confused in selecting a gift for you. Vrunda said, It's okay, dear. You are my best gift. Friends, ચાલો હવે આગળ વધીએ. ચાલો જોઈએ કે બેનિતા પછી કોણ આવે છે અને ત્યાં આપણે બ્લેન્ક આપેલું છે તો ત્યાં આપણે ફિલ કરવાનું થશે. લેટ અસ રીડ ધેટ. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, એટ 9:20 પાયલ કેમ. પાયલ સેડ. ચાલો પાયલે શું કહ્યું હતું એનું રીઝન આપણે યાદ કરવાનું છે. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, તમે જોઈ શકો છો ઉપર પાયલ વોઝ સ્લીપિંગ. શી ફોરગોટ. પણ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આપણે જ્યારે ડાયલોગ લખતા હોય ત્યારે થોડા એક્સપ્રેશન્સ તેમાં એડ કરવા જોઈએ. તો ચાલો જોઈએ કે પાયલ આવે છે તો એ કેવું એક્સપ્રેશન આપે છે. પાયલ સેડ. આપણે એમ કહી શકીએ કે આઈ એમ સોરી. આપણે અહીંયા ફીલ કરશું આઈ એમ સોરી ડિયર. તો ઇમેજિન કરવો જોઈએ કે વૃંદાએ શું કહ્યું હશે. યસ, યુ આર રાઈટ. વૃંદાએ કહ્યું હશે વાય આર યુ સો લેટ. યસ. સો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આપણે તે અહીં વૃંદાએ જે કીધું છે એ વૃંદાના પાર્ટમાં લખીશું. વાય આર યુ સો લેટ. યસ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આપણે પેજ નંબર 42 ઉપર જવું પડશે અને આ ડાયલોગ પૂરો કરીએ. સો ગો ટુ ધ પેજ નંબર 42. સો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, વળી પાછું પાયલ બોલશે તો ઇમેજિન કરો જોઈએ કે પાયલે શું કહ્યું હશે. યસ, તેને રીઝન દેખાડેલું હશે અને તેનું રીઝન શું હતું. પાયલ વોઝ સ્લીપિંગ. શી ફોરગોટ. પણ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, યાદ કરો લાસ્ટ એપિસોડમાં આપણે જોયું હતું કે જ્યારે આપણે ડાયલોગ ફોર્મમાં લખવું હોય તો થોડો ચેન્જ કરવો પડે. સો અહીં આપણે જ્યારે લખશું ત્યારે થોડો સેન્ટેન્સમાં ચેન્જ કરીશું. તો આપણે પાયલની જગ્યાએ આઈ મૂકશું. પાયલ સેડ આઈ વોઝ સ્લીપિંગ. અને પછી બીજું કીધું તું આઈ ફોરગોટ. યસ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. નાવ હવે વૃંદા શું કહેશે. વોટ વિલ વૃંદા સે નાવ. યસ, she would say, Oh, I am happy. I am happy that you remembered. Now friends, at 9:30 Viral arrived. At 9:30 Viral arrived. Viral said, ચાલો હવે વિરલે આવીને શું કહ્યું હશે તે આપણે ફિલ કરવાનું છે. We can write like this. Viral said, Dear Vrunda, Dear Vrunda, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. તો હવે આપણે વૃંદાએ શું કહ્યું હશે એ લખીએ. So Vrunda said, you have come so late. તો હવે વિરલે શું રીઝન આપ્યું હશે ચલો જોઈ, યાદ કરો જોઈ. યસ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, યુ આર રાઈટ. તે તેની સિસ્ટર સાથે ઝઘડો કરતી હતી. રાઈટ. સો વી કેન રાઇટ I know. વિરલને ખબર છે કે તે મોડી આવી છે. હવે તે રીઝન કહેશે. I was quarreling with my sister. With my sister. તો વૃંદાએ શું કહ્યું હશે? યસ, વૃંદા ઇઝ હેપી. સો વૃંદા said, but I am happy you came. Now let us go ahead. કોણ નેક્સ્ટ આવે છે અને તેનો શું ડાયલોગ છે? યસ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, એટ 9:40 અમિત રીચ્ડ. અમિતે આવીને શું કહ્યું હશે? યસ, ઓ માય ગોડ, સોરી. તો વૃંદાએ શું કહ્યું હશે? યસ, વૃંદા said, I thought you will not come. તો અમિતે શું કહ્યું હશે? No dear, no dear. હવે અમિતનું રીઝન શું હતું? યસ, તેની ટ્રેન લેટ થઈ હતી. સો he would say, my train was late. So વૃંદાએ શું કહ્યું હશે? યસ, oh I see, no problem, no problem. Now let us move ahead. Let us see who comes the last and what did he say. At 9:20 Naresh came. Naresh said, I am sorry. I know you are very angry. Vrunda said, yes, I am. You are late. Naresh said, yes, but my boss gave me some more work to do and I could not leave the office early. Vrunda said, Okay, welcome. So friends, this is the last dialogue. Now friends, you might have written the whole dialogue.
Activity 3. Rearrange the sentences and make a meaningful dialogue. First, child. Because I want mangoes. Juice. Why do you want me? Mangoes. Why do you want me? Child. Because I want to make juice. Child. Because you have vitamin A. Mango tree. Why do you come here? Vitamin A. Why do you want me? Child. Because you are healthy. Mango tree. So, take the mangoes, friends. Now, how to arrange the dialogues? I will show you some pictures, okay? And on basis of these pictures, we will arrange the dialogues. Friends, now I will show you one picture story. Watch it and listen it carefully. After watching, you have to rearrange the sentences. First is, why do you come here? Mango tree asks, why do you come here? Child replies, because I want mangoes. Then after, mango comes. Mango asks, why do you want us? Child replies, because I want to make juice. Then mango juice comes and asks, why do you want me? Child replies, because you have vitamin A. After mango juice, vitamin A comes and asks, why do you want me? Child answers, because you are healthy. And last, mango tree says, so take the mangoes. Children, have you watched the story? You like it? Good. Select another fruit and you have to find out which vitamin we get from the fruit. Okay. We have done this activity on mango tree and its dialogue. In homework, you have to write dialogues on orange tree and try to rearrange. Okay? Bye.
Today's question: I want mangoes blank, it has vitamin A. For blank, options are here: option A or option B because, option C so, option D but. So choose your correct answer and send your response to this toll-free number 6357399488.